Hey everybody, and welcome to Polly's Crochet Creations. I'm Tori, your hostess. Today's video is going to be how to do a treble crochet. Now, I need a little bit of a drink before I start this tutorial because I've done 3 or 4 tutorials already. What prompted this is a very lovely lady that I met at the senior center, and she asked me questions about crochet. So, because she's teaching her autistic granddaughter how to crochet, and I decided to do these how-to videos to help with newbie crocheters. So, today's video, a treble crochet. And what we're using Pioneer Women acrylic yarn ball. It's 394 yards, 360 meters, 3.5 ounces, 100 grams. This is a lightweight number 3, and it is a 5mm crochet hook that you would need to use. This is in the color acrylic yarn coral. Okay, and it is made in Turkey. So this is the yarn that I'm using for the treble crochet. So we're going to do, and I'm going to do your slip knot. So you're going to wrap your yarn around your fingers, and you're going to put your loop in, and then you're just going to tighten it. Okay, so that is your slip knot. Now I have my 5mm crochet hook, and this is the dots crochet hook. I'm going to put my hook in, and this is a treble crochet. One thing I will mention, that if you're doing the base chain, what would really work is if you went up a hook size. So say I'm doing the base chain, I go to a size 6, then to do your double crochets back, you would do a 5 or a 4 or whatever size you want to use. So we're going to do a 12 stitches. So you're going to yarn over, and you're going to pull your hook through. That's 1. Yarn over, pull your hook through. That's 2. Yarn over, pull your hook through. That's 3. Yarn over, pull your hook through. That's 4. Yarn over, pull your hook through. That's 5. Yarn over, 6. Yarn over, 7. Yarn over, 8. Yarn over, 9. 10, 11, 12. Okay, so I've got 12 stitches all the way down. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to yarn over twice, 1, 2. So you have 1, 2, 3 loops. You're going to skip the first stitch. So you're going to skip that one. You're going to skip that one, the second stitch, and then you're going to put your hook in the third stitch. Okay, you're going to pull up your loop. So now you have 4 loops on your hook. Okay, you're going to yarn over, and you're going to go through the first 2. Yarn over, go through the second 2. And yarn over and go through the third 2. That is a treble crochet. So you're going to yarn over twice, 1, 2. You're going to go into your next stitch. So we just finished working this stitch, so we're going to go into this next stitch. You're going to draw up your loop. You got your 4 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over. You're going to go through the first 2. Yarn over, go through the next 2. Yarn over and go through the next 2. That's 2. Go through twice, yarn over twice, and go into your next stitch right in here. Pull up your loop, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, and yarn over and go through the last 2. Okay, so we're going to go to the next one. Yarn over twice, 1, 2. You're going to go into the next stitch, put your hook in, drop your loop, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. Yarn over twice, 1 and 2. You go into your next stitch, right there. Drop your loop, 4 loops on your hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. You yarn over, you go through first 2. Come on, get up there. You do not want that to happen. Let's try that again. So yarn over twice, 1, 2. You go into your next stitch right here. And you draw up your loop, yarn over and draw up your loop. And then you go through 2. And then you go through 2, and then you go through 2. Yarn over twice. 3 loops on your hook. Into your next stitch, draw up a loop. Yarn over, go through twice, yarn over, go through twice, yarn over, go through 2. So these are your treble crochets. They're a lot taller than the double. Okay, yarn over twice, pull up your loop, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over and go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over twice, go into your next stitch, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over twice, go into your next stitch, yarn over, go through 2, or you drop your loop, then you yarn over, so you have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, go through your first 2, yarn over, go through your second 2, yarn over, go through your third 2, yarn over twice. Try not to get this bottom one in. This is where I have problems. 1, 2. This is where I have problems finagling. Okay, because I'm trying to hold this down so that this doesn't go up. So I've rolled over twice, yarned over twice, 3 loops on your hook. Put your hook in, draw up your loop, and then yarn over and go through your first 2. Yarn over, go through your second 2, yarn over, go through your third 2. All right, so chain 1 and turn your work, or turn your work and chain 1. So I chain 1 and turn my work, and this is the last row that I'm going to do for you on this one. So I'm going to yarn over twice, 1, 2, and I'm going to go right back into that stitch where I just chained 1. Okay, so go right back in there and you draw up your loop. Now you have 2, 3, 4 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and you're going to go through the first 2, yarn over, go through the second 2. Let me get that down there. And then you're going to yarn over and go through the last one. Yarn over twice. Come on. Yarn over twice, 1, 2, 3 loops on your hook, go in, draw up your loop, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over twice, go in, draw up your loop, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, and yarn over, go through 2. Yarn over twice, go in, draw up your loop, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over twice, go in, draw up your loop, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over twice, go in your next stitch, pull up your loop, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, and yarn over, go through 2, yarn over twice, go in, draw up your loop, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over twice, go in, draw up your loop, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, and this is the last. Yarn over twice, go in, draw up a loop, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, and yarn over, go through 2, yarn over twice. This is going to be your last stitch. So 1, 2, and you're going to put your hook in, you're going to yarn over, and you're going to pull up a loop, you're going to go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, and yarn over, go through 2. So that is your treble crochet. I really hope that this video is helping you or any other newbie crocheters. I will have more tutorials coming. I just wanted to get these ones done tonight, and I just want to thank the lovely lady that I met at the senior center. I hope this helps you to teach your granddaughter how to crochet, and I'm going to take my time in doing other videos and work with what you're comfortable with. If you're comfortable doing bigger yarns until you learn how to crochet, then do the bigger yarns. I found it easier to learn how to crochet with blanket yarn first, and then once I got better with the blanket yarn, I went down to the 3-weight and the 4-weight. There are a lot of tutorials on my channel about yarn and weights and how to read patterns, and like I said, I hope this helps. So if you find something on YouTube that you like to do or interested in doing, please, please, please don't quit. Keep trying, because eventually it'll be like a light bulb goes on off in your head, and you'll be like, oh wow, that's how you do it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, the subscribe button is just down below here. Click the subscribe button, click the bell icon, and click all, and you'll be notified of more tutorials to come. If you haven't given it a like and you want to give it a like, the like button is just down here. If you are interested and you want me to try something new or make something that you want to have made or shown how to make, please leave a comment. I read all the comments, so if there's something you are not sure of and you need some advice on, please leave a comment, and I will read the comment and try to accommodate anyone who requires assistance. So you all have a great day, evening, weekend, wherever you may be. You guessed it, you know it, it's coming. Keep on hooking, everybody. Keep on hooking, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.